Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern created by placing single crochet spikes at different levels. And it's purely worked with single crochet. We don't use any other stitches here, not the double crochet or the half double, or we start with a chain, or you can start with foundation single crochets and go ahead making single crochet and single crochet spikes, and it is titled Icicles. This particular piece I made with Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, which is a 5-ply yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook. Let's go into the video without further delay. Chain 28. Work in the back loop, one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So this is the second chain, the back loop is here. And one single crochet in each stitch, each chain in the back loop of each chain. So continue till the end. One single crochet all across. So at the end you will have 27 single crochets. Alternatively, you can make chainless foundation single crochets too, 27 in number. Now place 21 single crochets, row 1. Row 2 you can chain 1, turn and make one single crochet in each stitch all across. Similarly, rows 3 to 6. So we need to place single crochets in rows 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Complete row 6, all single crochet rows. So chain 1, turn, single crochet in each of the stitches. Chain 1 is not considered as any stitch. Okay, complete 6 rows. I shall complete and get back. I have completed 6th row of single crochet, and before completing the last single crochet I have joined color B yarn and I fasten off color A. I am going to bind them with the slip knot here so that it is tight. Now chain 1 and turn, one single crochet in the very first stitch. Now one single crochet in the next stitch. So one spike, one row below here, one spike in the next row below here. Next, for the next stitch, one spike, 3, that is this is first, this is second, actually 2 rows below. Now this is third. Now this is fourth. This is fifth. And this is sixth. Totally we have, excluding this SC, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spikes done. Okay. Again start with one single crochet, one single crochet, the next stitch, one spike, 1 row below, 2 row below, 3 rows below, 4 rows below. If you consider this as 1 row below, then it will be working 5 rows below. If you consider this as 2 rows below, it will be working as 6 rows below. So this is the first row. Next, in this row, we work here. We work the spike stitches 1 row below the previous one. So continue this set of spike stitches till the end. We've come to the end of the round here, end of the row here. Place 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet each on each of the last 2 single crochets. Now chain 1 and turn. So we have completed row 7. Now row 8 to 12 we are going to work the single crochets. So 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We are going to work the single crochet rows. So chain 1, turn and place your first, this chain 1 is not considered as a single crochet. So place 1 single crochet in each of the single crochets. There should be 27 single crochets in all. Okay, so continue placing single crochets, work rows 8 to 12 single crochet rows and get back. Come to the end of the row 12. I have fastened off color B, but before ending the stitch, join color C. Take this over the yarn, working yarn, and lock it with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in the first single crochet and the 1 single crochet in the second one. Now work 1 long spike 6 rows below. Then a spike 5 rows below. Next 4 rows below. Three rows below, 2 rows below, and 1 row is that single crochet there. So continue the stitch pattern. So 6 rows, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So continue till the end of the end of the row here. I've completed row 13 here. After row 13, rows 14 to 18 are single crochet rows. So let me complete rows 14 to 18 and get back to you. I've completed row 18. Now it's time to join yarn D, and from here afterwards, please note down the instructions on the screen. Pause your video and note down these instructions. So row 19, you will be using yarn D, color D. You will be repeating row 7. Then rows 20 to 24 are single crochet rows with same color yarn D. Then we will fasten off yarn D. Row 25 is with yarn E, color E, that is color E. We will repeat row 13. And then rows 26 to 30 are again single crochet rows with yarn color E. We will fasten off at the end of row 30. Row 31, we pick up yarn A again and repeat row 7. Then 32 to 36 we repeat row 2, which are SC rows. Then at the end of row 36 we fasten off color A. Again row 37 we'll use yarn C, repeat row 13. And here We end with row 38. We repeat row 2 for 38. Fasten off at the end of row 38 and hide all the loose ends. So I shall complete up to row 38 and get back to you. So with row 38, we complete the icicle pattern. This is a beautiful pattern created with spikes at different rows and single crochet spike. Hope you like this video, friends. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.